A few moments later.
Okay guys, tell me, what does mata mean in Arabic? Who, when, or where? Which one? Yes, exactly. Mata in Arabic means when. Who in Arabic is man, and where in Arabic is aina. Man, mata, aina. Which of the following is how many in Arabic? كيف, kam, or mata? Which one? Yes, exactly. Kam in Arabic means how many. كيف means how. Mata means when. كيف, kam, mata. Select the correct word for school. Madrasa, Bait, Medina. Which one is correct? Yes, exactly. Madrasa in Arabic means school. Bait means house, and Medina in Arabic means city. Madrasa, Bait, Medina. How do you ask where are you from in Arabic? ما اسمك? من أين أنت? كم عمرك? Which one? Yes, exactly. You're gonna ask من أين أنت? من أين أنت? ما اسمك? What is your name? كم عمرك? How old are you? What do you say when leaving someone? إلى اللقاء, أهلا وسهلا, or أين? Which one? Yes, exactly. You're gonna say إلى اللقاء, إلى اللقاء. إلى اللقاء in Arabic means see you later. أهلا وسهلا means welcome, and أين in Arabic means where. إلى اللقاء, أهلا وسهلا, أين. How do you say I'm sorry in Arabic? أهلا, آسف, نعم. Which one? Yes, exactly. You're gonna say آسف, آسف. أهلا means hello. نعم means yes. أهلا, آسف, نعم. Okay guys, let's learn some nouns in Arabic. ماء, ماء. شمس, شمس. قمر, قمر. كتاب, كتاب. مدرسة, مدرسة. باب, باب. سيارة, سيارة. بيت, بيت. نعم, نعم. Again, repeat again guys. ماء, شمس, قمر, كتاب, مدرسة, باب, سيارة, بيت. نعم.